just waking the old girl up for the first time this year, so it's taken a while. We may be a little
rusty
at this. But here we go.
Bob already has the lift put together. And now he's putting the sling under Miss Karen. Now he's attaching the sling to the lift. You can tell it's been a year since he's used it.
Yes.
Hiya! And up she goes. Getting her turned around to pull her back into the RV. Pulling her into the RV and setting her down in the chair.
That's all there is to it.
Yes. Pretty simple. Getting her through the door. Did a pretty good job getting out of the door considering it's a small area. And back in the chair. The attachment that you guys made for the bedroom,
And here's where it attaches
and the plate, and the lift is attached. Karen's got the sling underneath her, and she is attached to the sling and the lift. Up we go, going from the toilet to the shower. Grant you, the shower door is a little snug.
It's very snug. But it's a 1998 Newmar Dutch Star. Pick your arm up. And now this one. Here we go.
Okay, and There we go. Just had to adjust the lift.
And she's in
And she is in the shower.
and down.
And down on the shower chair. Now we're going up.
Some out first.
She's quite the trooper doing this. And back on the toilet. He can also take her from the toilet into the bedroom,
If ever need be.
if need be.
That's one of the things that this lift company did for us, is they did a wonderful job fitting everything into an old motorhome. They researched it. They made things fit. Every opportunity, they fixed it for me. Whatever I needed, they did. They did a wonderful job. I would highly recommend Access Unlimited to anybody. Thanks.